Oh, hello again. My name's Adam Hauser, and you may remember me from such informational films as Derek, the Man, the Myth, the Legend, and How to Grow a Chia Pet in 5 days. Please stay tuned for this important service announcement. Here at the University of Finley, we ask, who will you be? Derek often pondered this question, sitting at the base of a tree and meditating upon it, much like the Buddha, but with more beard. In fact, he thinks about it today, and we encourage our students to be fit. He entered the University Cardio Center and began to feel the burn. Feel it. After 3 days and nights, Derek emerged, cut like a diamond, only stronger. Think Finley. Beefy.